What's going on, YouTubers? This is Harry, also known as the Brand Builder, and I got a butterfly chasing me. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications button if you want the butterfly to come back. But other than butterflies is this beautiful artwork here that says, "You love me," right? So hit the thumbs up if you like the artwork. I bought this piece of art at a garage sale, actually at a yard sale today, for 50 cents. 50 cents. I plan on collecting all the artwork that I purchased from these yard sales, garage sales, and estate sales, and I plan to post them on my Etsy shop. Enjoy the view. What will this go for on Etsy? Probably around 30 bucks. And I paid 50 cents for it. So, for all you people who are watching this and you are in love with Facebook Marketplace, let me show you how to make unlimited cash on Facebook Marketplace. What I mean by unlimited cash is it depends on how well you hustle. I'm not here to sell you magic beans. That's not a part of my channel. I don't do magic beans. I'll do if you're a hard worker, if you've learned from my channel how to focus on your business. I do that. If you have the focus that it takes to do consistent listings on Facebook Marketplace and make cash, then you are in the right place. You should press the thumbs up button. That's right. So how dare you have less than 50 listings? How dare you have less than 25 listings at a time on Facebook Marketplace if you're trying to make unlimited cash? What is unlimited cash? That means that you have something for sale of value that actually costs you next to nothing, nothing at all, or just a little bit, right? Because if I had an item, maybe not this one, and I can buy it for $5 at a yard sale and sell it on Facebook Marketplace for about 20 bucks, that's $15. But if I repeat over and over again and then take some of that money to go buy clearance items at a store, I'm gonna have nothing but cash on me, cash on me, cash on me. Does your side hustle need juice? I think it does. I think it does. Your side hustle needs juice. So what it needs is you consistently listing, you consistently flowing, you giving out your business card everywhere you go. How is it I can meet someone who does pressure washing on homes, just starting out his business and talking to me at a coffee shop and trying to talk my ear off because he saw my YouTube videos? My statement to this gentleman is, where's your business card? That's my question to this person and statement. Where is your business card? Why doesn't your business card have free consultation? Why doesn't your business card have free washing? How do you get people to answer your ads? Free pressure wash, right? Do you do the entire house for free? No, you do one side. When they see how clean that one side is, they might tell you to do the rest of it. Now, how do you get them to buy the rest of your service? You charge them a discount. Now, if your pressure wash costs $200, you just finished one side of the house, you tell that person, I'll do the rest of your home for $150, right? $150. They're gonna say yes, especially if you throw in $150 and the next time you book me, I'll take another $25 off, but my price is $200, right? Now, I told this guy to do that. He actually listened to me. Calls me up, tells me, thank you, man. That tip worked out really well. I told him, I did business consultation for years. I used to do consulting. When people have a business idea, they used to come to me sometimes with people who knew me, but it was usually word of mouth. I would help one business owner, and then that business owner would tell other business owners about me, and I would get phone calls. I had never advertised on social media, on YouTube, about the consultations that I actually did with businesses, the names of the businesses, and how to get in touch with me for a consultation. But this young person here, when I told this individual how to get it done, they said, yeah, that's great. I says, I have one more idea for you. I says, are you getting bookings consistently? Because it's one thing to make a couple $100 one time, make $100 here, make $500 next week, but not be consistent. What does it mean to be consistent when you're making money and being consistent? You know what it means to be consistent? It means that when you make sales or you sell your services, you can consistently sell those services. So I told him like this: if the person needs another pressure wash in a certain amount of time, right, that you would give them a discount. So do it for half off. Half off, that's right. If they call you again in 60 days, you'll do it for half off, right? So that means you're doing it for $150 because your price is $200. So you're doing it for $150, right? But you do it twice in how long? In 60 days. So this is what happens. You're making more money, you're doing more runs, and you're staying more active. You're getting more repeat customers. If they call you more than once in 60 days, there you go. 2 times it's half off. Or you could take 25% off. Or give them a $25 coupon. Or give them some sort of like gifts for booking you. Some sort of gift services, like give them a car wash, something like that, or interior car wash, or car vacuuming, something like that. Give them something, but make sure they're happy. Now, I'm gonna end this video off with a little treat. I'm gonna throw you guys a little snippet of a video I was gonna load up, but I changed my mind because I like talking directly to the folk. Get your side hustle going. Flow that side hustle. Stop playing games. Make it happen. Blow up in this world, because the cash is going to chase you when you know what you're doing. All right? Thank you, and have a good time. Subscribe, like, and comment below. Rock and roll. Facebook Marketplace is a wonderful spot. I'm getting ready to sell this too. This is the item I bought on Amazon some time ago. The fish with, well, actually, this was a gift, and I'm going to sell this now because I'm not going to be doing any fishing for a while. I gotta build up my brand, build up my business, and this is going to be one of the items I'm selling, along with the kayak. And the key to Facebook Marketplace is multiple postings. Just keep posting your items, keep making deals, keep setting up offers. I do sometimes go to the yard sales and estate sales and everything like that, and I get more items. We can do this. So offer it on Marketplace, ship it out, do whatever you got to do. I'm sitting here waiting for some customers to come buy this kayak and paddle set from me that I sold on Facebook Marketplace. And this is the perfect opportunity to let you guys know that the key to Facebook Marketplace is consistent listing. Consistent listing. It's just like if you did Etsy, eBay, Mercari, or any of the other sites that people resell on, or Poshmark. It's just consistent listing. Just keep listing, keep setting up offers, but keep sourcing, keep finding ways to get those things.